Hello, Himanshi Lodha. I am Isha. Welcome to Apna AI interview prep. Shall we get started?
Sure, Isha, let's get started.
First question, Meta is very data driven. Can you walk me through how you would use data to shape a content marketing strategy aimed at increasing user growth?
So there was this one time for Endo Mojo when we were highly indecisive about a campaign that was going live. So when our teams have different opinions on it, everybody wanted to prove that they are right or their idea is sort of working and this campaign doesn't work. So what I did was I went back, I did some deep dive, I did some research, I went on Answer the Public, Google research, everything. I sort of used data to back my answer, and then I went to the team and showed them the results. And in that way, when I went through the team and then I saw them that this idea has actually some merit in it, then only the team sort of agreed to it and we started implementing it. And at every point of time, we sort of go back and start optimizing, seeing if there is any lack in the campaign. Or in general, we have this practice of checking up every 10 to 15 days if the campaign has sort of worked or what needs to be changed, if we need to optimize the content, if there is any particular area that has a data driven approach to sort of form the basis of our content strategy.
Next question, Meta values content that resonates deeply with diverse user segments. How would you approach creating a content strategy that balances personalization at scale while maintaining brand consistency?
For a global brand like Meta, I will create a strategy by talking to the people, the target audience, what are their pain points, what are the things that they value, what things they don't like. And then on the basis of that, I will create content. And that also depends upon the kind of service that we are pitching, what is their user centric approach regarding it. And after understanding everything, after doing the deep research, the data driven research, I will create a content strategy while I make sure that the brand values, the brand persona stays in it. The main core audience should like it. And that's what I will create.
Thanks for your response. Next question. Meta often experiments with new content formats and channels. Can you tell me about a time when you introduced an innovative content format or channel in your marketing strategy? What was the impact?
We see that a lot of Gen Zs are available on Snapchat. So Rento Mojo has a target audience of 18 to 36 years. Now, a lot of Gen Z people are available on Snapchat. Since renting is not a very famous concept in India, people don't know that they can rent furniture and appliances nowadays. So what we did, we created some Snapchat filters, and then people used to look at which brand is doing that. It sort of went viral, the kind of campaign people are using a lot. We have collaborated with Snapchat. Like it was a huge success in bringing in more target audience, bringing in more brand awareness for a brand like Rento Mojo.
Thanks for that detailed explanation, Himanshi. Last question for this session. Content marketing at Meta often requires balancing short term campaigns with long term brand building. How do you prioritize and manage these sometimes competing demands?
When we are creating long-term brand, there are a lot of short-term campaigns that we do. We do a lot of topical campaigns. We do so there are a lot of seasonal campaigns that we do. But in terms of the core has to be always the brand. Whatever we are doing at the heart of it, it should recognize that it is coming from a particular brand.
Here's your detailed feedback from today's mock interview for the content marketing director role at Meta. And strengths, you demonstrated a strong understanding of using data to inform content strategy, referencing tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and Microsoft Clarity. This shows you appreciate a data driven approach, which is crucial at Meta. Areas to improve: depth and structure. Some answers lacked clear structure and depth. For example, when discussing pivoting a campaign, the explanation was a bit vague and could benefit from a clearer problem action result framework.